Hey guys, I am Pratik Tarapurkar. Welcome back to my channel of Football Talks. Here you will get each and every update about football, and in today's video we are going to discuss about the summer transfer window of FC Barcelona. Means I will give you a recap of the summer transfer window, what happened in that transfer window for Barcelona, who were the players in and who were the players out. So this I will discuss in today's video. So without wasting time, let's get started now. So FC Barcelona's summer transfer window, means all transfers I'm going to talk about. So some I will miss, but still the first transfer of Barcelona in the transfer window was of the great player, the number 10 of City, Manchester City. It's Sergio Aguero. Yes, the first transfer of Barcelona was Sergio Aguero. Then it was Eric Garcia on the next day after Aguero. Then it was Depay. Yes, Memphis Depay. He was also brought as a free, not as a, you can say, transfer, but he was a free transfer. Okay, then these were the four signings which Barca made. Only four in the whole transfer window, and there were many transfers out. Now you will be surprised why they were out. Yeah, I've made a separate video on this. Here I will put that because of the wage bill issues, Barca just you can say selling the players. Okay, so the first player who was sold was Junior Firpo. Yes, he's been sold to Leeds United. Okay, then it was Trincao who was being loaned to Wolves, and there were many players. So I can't take the name now, but the big player was Lionel Messi. Yes, Lionel Messi. He also left Barcelona because of the financial issues and financial rules of La Liga. And another transfer which was out, it was Remanai. Yes, he is also out from Barcelona. Yesterday it was the last day of the transfer window, the deadline day, and Remanai went out of the Barcelona to Spezia. It's a Serie A club. He went there. Royal Emerson also went to Tottenham. Unfortunately now, but Barca were getting 30 million, so Laporta decided to just sell him. Then the big transfer window, not bigger than Messi, but still the one more big transfer, it was Antoine Griezmann. Yes, Antoine Griezmann, he is also out. He has rejoined Atletico Madrid and he will play again for Atletico Madrid. And Barca had signed a player, means as a replacement of Antoine Griezmann on a loan deal. Yes, Griezmann is also on loan to Atletico, and Barca has signed a player on a loan deal from Sevilla. It's Luke De Jong. Barca has signed him on a 1-year loan deal. He is a striker, and Barca has brought him as a replacement of Antoine Griezmann. So yes, Barca made 4 signings which were Barca made 4 signings, and those 4 are, I think, okay, not okay, the best signings, you can say. Royal Emerson was also there. That was also a great signing, but he went out, so I'm not including that. But Luke De Jong, I think, yes, Luke De Jong, he's also a great player, but let's see now how he will perform in Barca. Let's see what happens. But Antoine Griezmann, yes, he has rejoined Atletico, and yes, this would make them more strong as a title contender to defend the title. But I don't have problem by just going Griezmann there, because you should think of the future. Laporta, he just thought, I think Laporta's aim is mission Haaland. Yes, Erling Haaland can also come in the next summer, I mean next transfer window, because Antoine Griezmann, okay, we will get 40 million from Atletico next season. Means when this loan deal will end, we will get 40 million because it was a buy option, a mandatory buy option. So we will get 40 million. And Laporta is thinking of Mission Haaland. We can't do anything. So yes, I think Laporta is preparing a Mission Haaland, and I think means because we are having so much money now, because Royal Emerson is out for 30 million. Okay, then our Ilax Moriba, he is also out for 26 million. So 30 plus 26, 56 million we just got. Then next summer we will get 40 million. So 56 plus 40, 96 million we will get. Means we will have 96 million at that time. So we can just splash 96 million on, means, Haaland for on Borussia Dortmund. So yes, Haaland, yes, he could come next transfer window, means next season. If you have liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up, means please give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe it also, and press the notification bell too, because whenever I post a video, you will get notified. So guys, stay tuned till next video, and thanks for watching.